In this video, we're going to look at building the Airfix 1600 at Graf Spee. As always, it will help if you have good reference material, and I've collected some photos of larger scale models to use for the detail I'm going to add. Here are some of the corrections that you've got to make to the Airfix model to make it a bit more accurate. 11-inch gun barrel should be changed for something a little bit thicker. The portion of superstructure deck directly in front of the control tower should be raised about 1 millimeter. Rework the open bridge shield and the supporting structure for the rangefinder. The control tower lacks detail and a lot of extra items can be added to it. The 5.9-inch mountings can be made more accurate, and the following drawing shows how to modify them. The 4.1-inch mountings provided can be improved as shown, and the superstructure under the overhang can be extended to the edge of the hull. Quite a bit of extra detail has been added to the funnel. The aft deckhouse was rotated at 180 degrees and modified. The catapult was improved with some spare photo etch. And the Arado float plane was detailed. The torpedo tube housings were improved. Battle shutters were also glued to the control tower front windows. One big job was drilling out all of the portholes on the side of the ship by hand. There are a lot of them, and you've got to take a lot of care to make sure that you center them all accurately. The wood planking dividing lines can be highlighted by dry brushing across them with a dark color. I use leftover photo etch on this model, but you can buy custom sets for the Graf Spee if you're more concerned about accuracy. So with a bit of care, this model builds nicely into one that can be displayed with the other ships at the Battle of the River Plate.